Hello viewers, I am Shehzad. You are watching the shopping channel. Please subscribe my channel for latest videos about mobile phones and gadgets. Today I am unboxing HP laptop, HP 15 Core i7. So let's take a review and let's unbox it. Its model number is HP 15 BS013NE. You can see here HP, its box, Intel inside, 15.6 inch display, Core i7, 7th generation. Let's its books, instruction guide, adapter, power cable. Its color is dark grey. You can see its look, back side. This way. Side. Turn it on. Inside screen, Intel Core i7 7th generation. Turn on from here. Its display size is 15.6 inch. Its main specs are 4 GB RAM, 1 TB hard drive, 2 GB graphic card, Windows 10 installed officially. Camera, pad, its outlook, this is Core i7. Its price $700 USA. Thanks guys.